will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing.
This is I Will Sing of the Mercies of the Lord Forever. If you've heard of this song, this is something I knew growing up. This is a really simple way to chord along to this song. It's in the key of G, so let's jump into it. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, you will find the printable chord sheet that I have prepared for you, and it'll make a lot more sense to you. So this song, I have just stripped down to the basics. We have G, C, D, and then we have an A chord in the verse. So let's go through those chords. If you look for this group of 3 black notes, tuck your fingers just every other note, and you're going to play G, B, D, and that's that G chord there, okay? And then if you move up here to one set of notes, you're going to play an A chord, and you're going to play this black note in the middle, A, C sharp, E, and it plays this triangle shape. Okay, that's A major chord in that verse. Then we move up to the C position, C, E, G, C major chord there, and move up one set of notes again, and you're going to put the black note in the middle, D, F sharp, A, and that's that D chord. Okay, so that's that triangle shape again. So if you can just kind of freeze that shape, that's a really easy way to play that A chord as well that we played. Okay, so just review. We have G chord, A triangle, C, and then we have our D triangle. And those 4 chords, that makes it up. All right, so left hand is just going to be playing single notes. So just put your pinky on G, line up your 5 fingers, and then you don't have to move your hand this whole song. So we're going to play G chord to G in the bass. Okay, A triangle in our right hand, A single note down here. C to C in the bass, and then our D triangle, D single note down here. I apologize, I have a head cold too, so I'm trying to power through. All right, so let's just talk about the rhythm that's going to bring the 2 hands together. This song is written in 4/4 time signature, so it's a ratio I call 1-to-2 ratio, so it just looks like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay, if we practice that on the G chord, it just looks like this. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing, and I will sing. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord. So all I'm doing is that together, right, and I just picked up the speed a bit, okay, because it's a little bit faster of a song. So you can do it really slow like this. We're going to go through the chorus together here. We're starting at that G chord. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will. Okay, move to that D chord, triangle here. Sing, and I will, G, sing, stay on that G. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will, D, sing of the mercies of the G, Lord. Okay, let's talk about some patterns because this music has some patterns. So lines 1 and 3 are the same in the chorus, as well as 2 and 4. For the verse, there's lines 1 and 3 are the same. Lines 2 and 4 are just a bit different. Okay, so let's jump into that chorus. We're starting out with the C chord there. Will I make, there it is, sorry, G. Known thy, D chord, faithfulness, thy, G, faithfulness, with my, C, mouth, will I make, G, known thy, okay, D chord, faithfulness to all D, shines. And then it kind of loops back into that chorus. So you'll just notice there's some patterns. G, lines 1 and 3 repeating, lines 2 and 4. it takes out the overwhelm is what I should say. You could do it. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Go back to that beginning if you need a little help. Here you go. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing, and I will sing, and I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord. With my mouth will I make known thy faithfulness, thy faithfulness. With my mouth will I make known thy faithfulness to all generations. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing, I will sing, I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord. With my mouth will I make known thy faithfulness, thy faithfulness. With my mouth will I make known thy faithfulness to all generations. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing, I will sing, I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing, I will sing, I will sing of the mercies of the Lord forever. I will sing of the mercies of the Lord.